Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Today we are going to solve this question which states that express any one of the following words in an artistic typographical form. So suppose if I select this word action. Okay, so now if we write the word action like this, which is mainly called as plain writing. Now for artistic this term artistic typographical form, we need to express this word in a way so that it also communicates meaning. Okay, so that is what artistic typographical form actually means. So it actually communicates meaning. So suppose if I consider writing the letter A in a different way, suppose in a sketch like this, which where the A itself takes certain an aggressive form, like a very dynamic and have a very rough texture outline, which gives the a kind of a character, a rough character. Okay, now that can start communicating the meaning of the word. And with just this a, and after that if you just write the rest of the letters like this, suppose I've written. So you have to do certain kind of hand letterings, so it starts communicating the actual meaning of the word. Now here we have just sketched it out. Okay, now your main uh, suppose if I just put this entire thing a little bit on the left side so that it actually aligns with the letter A. So after this you can erase these guidelines. Okay, because it has already given you certain amount of guides how to write the letter itself. Then what you can do is you can select certain colors which gives that character to this uh, letter itself. So suppose if I use this color and start coloring uh, the letter in this form on top of the sketch itself, in this way. Alright, it all starts with the sketch. Then slowly you can add certain other textures and color effects only to give that effect of meaning of the entire word. So this color selection and the form of the letter all is all has been done just to bring out the meaning of the entire word, and that is what typographical form mostly signifies. All right, so you need to open your mind and understand like how I can communicate the meaning of the word with just writing certain letters in a way that will express the required meaning, that is required effect or the required meaning of the word. Now here you see I can go as far as I want. I can make the letter A as interesting as I want to give that dynamic feel, aggressive and dynamic feel to it. So I am taking inspiration from the, like something is burning, which is like looks like it is high on energy, and then I can use certain colors to make the edges a little tempered. So it depends upon your creative sense, how you bring out the character of a letter. Okay, it's just having an open mind and creating that right feel. Now after you got this, you can also bring out that same uh, kind of effect on the other letters too. Okay, now together as a whole it can form a visual composition. It's not that you have to color only that same letter. You can do the same thing with other letters too, but together as a whole it will start looking like a word that not only is written handwritten but also uh, communicates the meaning of the word. So that is what is required in a question, like that is what is required from you, the kind of response that is needed from you when you face a question like this. So if I just put the entire sketch a little outside, now this is what is typographical, like expressing what we call as expressing the meaning through uh, artistic lettering. So I have taken inspiration. You can take inspiration from uh, real life objects and their features. So here I have taken features of fire. So that what makes my letters look interesting. So now if I just add a little bit of black stroke somewhere here and there, my letters would start looking much more strengthier and have certain amount of character into it. So this is what you can also try with your like letterings, or if you are picking some other words, you can always relate the meaning of the word with certain uh, real life objects and take inspiration from their features and add to the uh, character, add that features into the letters. So this is how you create typographical form of a certain letter. I hope you find this one interesting. You can start practicing with other kinds of other words, any word that feels you feel very confident about creating artistically, and make as many words as possible, artistic typographical forms of lettering, as many types as possible. So that will open up your mind and also it will increase your creative sense of how to respond to a particular creative challenge. So I hope this lesson becomes is helpful for you. Thank you.